All our Utopia gazebos are constructed from 70 by 70mm uprights and have thick roof purlins, meaning the structure is able to take on any type of British weather. In addition, the gazebos come with 2 buttress trims per post as standard. To increase the longevity of the Utopia gazebo, all the framework is fully pressure treated as standard and is guaranteed for 10 years. The pressure treatment will reduce the likelihood of any rot or insect infestation and requires less seasonal maintenance. We only use slow-grown spruce timber for our gazebos, a very high-quality timber which provides you with a more durable and dense structure, meaning fewer knots, splitting, warping, or leaking sap. All our Utopia gazebos only come in full lengths of timber for a quicker build, less bolting and fixing, and a sturdier garden structure overall. As our Utopia gazebos are designed for the UK, the vast majority are under 2.5 metres tall, meaning you are far less likely to require planning permission. If you are unsure though, it's always best to contact your local authority. Gain a little more privacy or protection from the weather by adding customizable wall panels to the Utopia gazebo. There are 3 types of panels: half-height panels, full-height panels, or half-glazed panels. Protect your Utopia gazebo roof with superfelt or bitumen shingles. Applying this to the roof of your gazebo will offer an attractive, durable and high-end finish to the structure. Why settle for second best when you can have a Dunster?